Bitch, I gotta show you this shit. It's so motherfucking serious. It's real out in this bitch. It's for real in this bitch. Damn, fuck him out! Look at this bitch! Look at her. Don't try to hide, bitch. I finally got you in the full camera, bitch. You finally fit. Hold on, let me get way back. Oh, shit. My glasses, bitch. You was gonna be paying for these, motherfucker. This shit just got real. It's going on motherfucking World Star just because of that, bitch. Bitch, you trying to fight me? Look at the titty. Look at that back titty. Look at her. Don't try to hide, bitch. It's real life, bitch. You walk around like this shit. Hey, you talking about trying to hide and shit. Let people see this, girl.
No.
Girl, you know you want this big joke, girl. You know you want to be up in this.
I'm not for little shit.
Bird is the word. Biggie bird. Bird is the word. Biggie bird.
Marquis, for real.
Don't eat too fast. You know you ain't got no neck. You can't breathe.
Why does that smell like fish?
It's that Japan chicken.
That shit smell like Captain D.
Japan chicken.
No, I don't think no Japan.
Yeah, that's what it's called. Japan chicken.
It better be called Japan chicken and not Japanese.
It's called
Because I'm gonna come for your ass.
But it smells like Captain D.
It smells like Biggie Bird.
Oh.
Biggie Bird, why like you shrinking your shoulders? Like you trying to hide your neck? Like somebody coming forward. Like a turtle
going in the shade.
Oh, just because I ain't catch it on the other video. This is the copycat asshole that came from my bangs.
I did.
Yes.
And I will again.
It's copycat ass bitch. It's okay because I ain't got my bangs on right now, bitch. But I'm gonna do like Misha Friend and hot glue the motherfuckers in so you can't snatch them out, bitch. Nobody want that motherfucking.
Keon.
You got knuckles on your foot.
You gotta watch it.
Move them motherfuckers.
This motherfucker got a foot. He could ball up like a motherfucking fist. This shit just got really real. Bitch. Look at that motherfucker. That shit is motherfucking nasty as a motherfucker. Let me show you some more real shit. I got some shit for your ass. I got an auntie with a big ass plate. You can sit a plate on that. Let's go find this motherfucker. Let's go look for her. Dad, fuck him up! Auntie, turn to the side. Butt so big, yeah. You can sit a plate on that bitch. Look at that shit. She just need to give it up. Give it up, auntie. Just give it up.
That shit. Go on, find somebody else to fuck with.
I done got on everybody. It's your turn, baby. Ain't that right, Grante? Grante don't know. She don't know about this, honey.
It's a video. You can't see me. I'm black.
You sure is, bitch, because you dis a fucking period, bitch. I couldn't even get it out. I was stuttering and shit. Just.
Fuck you too. Why you putting on your titties?
Make sure my light is still right here.
Mommy, you stepped on my food.
We need to get the fuck out the way then. Shit. Gone now. This motherfucker. Karen, you left something in the kitchen.
You better put your arm back up.
You left something in the kitchen.
I would need you to shave that beast under there.
She had it. Bitch! You got it. Look like a coochie in that bitch. Close it. Look. Don't it look like a coochie?
I'm not fooling with y'all.
I would need you to shave that beast.
Playing with your poo nanny. Playing with your poo nanny. Look at
Look at my titties.
Whispering.
I'm not
Bird is the word. Move, girl. Bird is the word. I can rap off that beat. Go for it, bitch. Go for it. You got it.
It's hurting.
Check. Biggie Bird. She ain't got no neck. She got big titties and titties in the back. She ain't got no neck. She got titties in the back. She ain't got no neck. She got titties in the back. Her arm so big, it looked like a badge. Her arm so big, it looked like a badge. What you gonna do? Nothing.